Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button, and if you are frequently here, welcome back. And I'm just going to be talking about why I don't wash my hair as frequently as most people do. And before I even started chebe, I was wearing box braids a lot of times, so I only wash my hair, thank you, like every 3 months, sometimes maybe once a month if I needed to. But I didn't wash my hair a lot anyways to begin with. So when chebe came along and they were like, the Chad women only wash their hair like one time a year or something like that, I was like, well, and their hair is lovely, so let me try that. So that is basically the main reason I don't wash my hair. I don't like washing it just because it's a lot of work. And the only time I did like getting my hair washed is if like my mom would do it or my aunt or somebody like that. And since they're not around, you know, it's not like the top priority on my list. And so today I also have on my old shirt that I began with just to kind of see, you know, where I was. And then I noticed that on this shirt, I actually wrote where I wanted my goals to be. My goal is different now. I do want to reach butt length, but yeah, so we're just gonna see where we are. And today is March the 11th. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys my old shirt and show you where I'm at now. And if you don't know, I started, and I'll post a picture, but when I first started, like before I started using chebe, the last time that I got my hair flat ironed or pressed or whatever, my hair was like right here, right below collarbone length. Okay, that's where I started at. And I used chebe for like 8 months of last year, and then I'm using it since the beginning of this year. So this is where I was last time when I used this shirt, which was at my 6 month mark. And then now this is the butter side. Now, and I was trying to see, before I got on camera, I was trying to see if I could get the product to kind of like ooze up as I was squeezing it, just so you can see that it's really no need to reapply it, but it's not really showing up. It's like it's clear. All right, so this is where I was. That's where I was last year. And that's right. And this is my belly button right here. And that's where my hair is. I got some. That's the butter. Like, it'll melt back out. But that was from me like messing with that little section. That's how much product is like still in there. And I did reapply it for this month, but this is after 7 days. All I did was put water in it, and like I said, every time I put water in it, it like reactivates the product to where it'll just redistribute. Like I just put some more in there. So that's where I was last time that we did it last year. Like, this is a big clump of product right here. So like I said, this side may not be accurate. So let's see. That's where I was last time. And that's where I am now. So right here, and then this is my belly button. Alright, so we'll work that through one more time. That's last time. That's now. Alright.
Talking about right there, like you been playing in some dirt.
Hey, look, you see this one? How muddy it look?
Mm-hmm.
I got a trick I just made up.
How to make it muddy?
Yeah.
You want it muddy?
Yeah. You going?
Mm-hmm. Keep going.
You sure it ain't just like clumped up stuff?
No. That's right there. What is this? You'll go, what, two things away?
I'm at my goal. I'm not at my goal.
You're not at your goal. It's like 2 things away.
All right now.
Mm-hmm. You can go down a little bit more. I got my finger on it.
I ain't got none. Oh, I had like one string.
Yeah, but nah, it's like right here. At that second, like that right there. So you two things from your goal.